Hey everyone, if you're seeing the error initializing QBPOS application log message, don't worry, we're going to fix it right now. Method 1. Rename the QBPOSShell user file. Method 2. Rename the QBPOSShell user file. Method 3. Use a Windows admin user account. Method 4. Repair Windows components. Approach 1. Repair Microsoft.NET Framework. Approach 2. Repair Microsoft MSXML. Method 5. Deactivate the UAC security feature if you get error initializing QBPOS application log. Method 6. Operate the system file checker utility. Method 7. Reinstall the QuickBooks POS application. Need more guidance? Visit our article at www.a2autocare.com/article or call us at this number. Thank you for watching the video, and if it was useful, please like, share and subscribe.